friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start page 23, Speaking. Open up your books, page 23, Speaking. E part. E part is about describe an animal. Your partner tells you the animal group it belongs to. Use the words in the boxes to help. You see the words in box? Yes, these animals have, they are in. I'm going to play an audio for you. Listen to this audio very carefully.
Page 23. Communicate. Speaking. E. Describe an animal. Your partner tells you the animal group it belongs to. Use the words in the boxes to help.
Eagles have feathers and wings to help them fly. What animal group are they in? Eagles are in the bird group.
I hope you have listened to this audio very carefully. Now you must be thinking how you can practice it. Who can you make as a partner? You can make your siblings or your parents as your partner, or you can call your friend to be your partner. Now, we are going to start our writing study of page 23. Part F. Pronouns. Let us see what are pronouns. Pronouns are words that replaces a noun in a sentence. You know what are nouns? Nouns are words used to identify any class or people, places or things. For example, rabbits are very gentle. Rabbits is a name, so rabbits is a noun. Now let's see what is a pronoun. They are very gentle. They is replacing a noun, that is rabbit. So they will be a pronoun. You see an exercise. Write the pronouns of the underlined words. I have solved this exercise for you as well. Now you have to pause this video to solve this exercise for yourself. And then we are going to match the answers. Let us match our answers. My friends and I are playing. Which one is the pronoun from the underlined words? We. The dog is barking at Tom. It. The drums are very loud. They. The city is dangerous. It. Lions can be fierce. They. Now what you have to do is, you have to write about an animal that you know on a loose sheet of paper. You can write maximum 5 lines about that animal. That's all for today.